Sale, 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 sale. Yes, V.I Tech Academy's Freedom Sale 2024 is live now. And in this Freedom Sale 2024, you will get exciting discounts on our existing courses and unbelievable off on our new courses. Not only this, we also have some changes. We also have updated one of our existing course which will really help you in your life, and by which you can also get the job. Yes, the chances of getting job will be higher. We are planning for that also. So based on that, we have we have updated our course modules, one of our famous course. So everything we will be discussing in this video. This video is going to be very interesting, and I promise that I will not waste your time. So this video will be completed within 5 to 7 minutes, so please stay tuned with me till the end, and let's see what are the offers available in Freedom Sale 2024. Friends, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy, and my name is Ratul. Without further delay, let's start. So guys, as you know that Freedom Sale 2024 is coming. Freedom Sale 2024 is now live. Now why this is Freedom Sale? Yes guys, you guessed it right, 15th August, which means Independence Day of India is knocking at the door. To celebrate Indian independence with digital literacy, we are offering many courses with discounts. These discounts will be useful for new and existing both course takers. So those who already taken some courses, already did some courses with us, they can also avail this offer, and those who are new and want to explore our academy, they can also join our courses by utilizing this offers. And one more surprise thing is there, which is you cannot believe we have just giving you the offer. We are giving you the offer, and the offered price is like surprise price, not surprise price, like surprise. You will be amazed by watching the benefits, and more offers will also coming soon, so stay tuned with us. Okay, so welcome to Freedom Sale 2024 live program. Here we are discussing about what's the offer available for Freedom Sale 2024. Now we have many courses, as you know. So V.I Tech Academy is offering you online courses on web development, Python, and other technical courses to the persons with print disabilities. Now we are here to celebrate our independence with digital literacy. So these are the offers which now you can see on the screen. So first we have offer enjoy flat 15% off on all of our courses. Here no, not all of our courses, most of the courses we are offering 15% discount. 15, yes, 15% discount. You are getting 15% discount on our courses, and you can also get up to 300 rupees off. Yes, directly flat 300 rupees on off on our newly launched courses. So these are two major offers. Okay, then next is these offers will be only validate for first 15 students. Yes, this 15% and this 300 rupees flat 300 rupees up to 300 rupees off, both offers are valid only for first 15 students, 15 candidates. So after watching this video, go fast and enroll now. Yes, how to enroll I am telling you. We will be sharing the course link at the pinned comment, and just click on that link, and whatever course you want to enroll, you can enroll with the offer. Yes, which course within the offer I'll tell you. Okay, so valid for both new and existing students. Yes, our offer is valid for both existing and new students, and you can accept, I mean you can take this offer, like you can enroll in a single course at a time. Yes, you cannot take two courses at the discounted price of 15% or 300 rupees. Yes, you can get it, you can get at least one course, I mean minimum one course you can get, and maximum you can get one course. Yes, so offer is already started today, 1st August 2024, and this offer will end on 15th August 2024. Yes, because this offer is only for this freedom sale, so 15 days validity of this offer. So those who are interested, just grab this offer right now. You do not need to enter any coupon code, you just apply and you can avail it. So what is the process of application? So first is go to our website from the about page of our YouTube channel, then visit the courses page and choose the course which you want to apply, and then click on enroll now, and then fill out the form, and then wait for the call from our team. So this is the application process. Now the best time where I'm just going to reveal what are the courses and what are the offers, what is the price range. So first we have front-end development with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and ARIA. Yes, currently we are starting this course already. We are going to start this course very soon. One batch is already started, I mean already on the way to start, and next is going to start very soon. So now we are offering 15% discount. So duration is 100 days. Okay, class timing will be in the evening time. Exact timing will be like 7 to 8 p.m. or 8 to 9 p.m. will be informed later. Here you will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and ARIA. Then the regular price is 1999. Yes, 1999. But with this 15% discount, you will get it only on 1699. Yes friends, 1699. So in 1699 you will get this amazing course. Next we have Python Adventure. Now before we have this course for the 3 months duration, now we are extending this course till 180 days. Yes guys, 180 days you will be learning Python. Not only this, additionally we will also cover not only basic fundamentals, we will cover one advanced concept such as classes, objects of Python, along with a live project which you can showcase to the companies. Yes, we will do the project also. Before we do not have any project, but right now we are helping you to create a project, and that will help you, that will enhance your credibility in your CV. And everything you will get 2,999. Yes, the MRP or the regular price is 2,999. We are not increasing the price, we are increasing the duration. Yes, 180 days, and you will get it 2,999. But friends, freedom offer is also available here for this period. Yes, for this period you will get this course just rupees 2549. So enroll now, just 2549 rupees. Yes, you will get this 6 months course, just this amount of money, this amount of with certificates and all. So you will get it like freedom price. Okay, so next we have Excel course. Yes, newly we have launched this Excel course, and here we will learn lot of basic to advanced things of Excel. Okay, this is a 30 days course. Maybe it will be extended till 40 or 45 days, but our course price is very reasonable, right? So this course price is now 599. But as it is a newly launched, so first 15 students will get flat 200 rupees off, and you will get it now only on 399 rupees. Yes, not 599, 399 rupees. So enroll now and save 200 rupees. Next is PowerPoint with screen readers. Yes, those who are interested to learn PowerPoint with screen readers, they can learn. This is also 30 days program, and regular price is 799, and now we are offering up to 300 rupees off, and now you will get it only 499 rupees. Yes, so these are some offers which you can avail as a freedom sale, and all of these offers will be available from today onwards to 15th August. And if you want any help, anything, you can reach out to us. You can type into the comment section, and you can also message us on Facebook and any other social media. I hope you like these offers. So don't forget to enroll our web development course and Python development course, Python adventure course, and any other course which you want, and let me know which course you are going to enroll in this offer into the comment section. So guys, that's it for the day, that's it for the offer, that's it for the everything. No, that is not for the everything, because there are many things is waiting for you in future. Just stay tuned with us, and we will never feel you bored. See you soon in our next episode, next tutorial, or next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and enroll now fast, because offer will end within just 15 days. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. Thank you everyone. Bye.